Okay, I want to talk about why I never use the seche restore. Um, for one thing, it's the price. It's $10.95 for 2 ounces. OPI $9.99 for 2 ounces, and also I get this at Sally's, and occasionally Sally's sends me discounts, so like I'll get 15% off. In fact, I think this week they have 40% off if you want to get it, so you'd end up getting it for half the price, almost. Beauty Secrets, it's 4 ounces for $3.99, by far the most affordable thinner on the market, I think. But that's not my biggest gripe with Seche Restore. My biggest gripe, I'll show you, is the ingredient, Toulene, right here. And the reason I have such a huge issue with it is one of the side effects. Did I just pull it up and not click on it? Excuse me. So here is the huge list of health hazards. Reproductive toxicity. That is my biggest gripe with it. Because I'm a woman. Okay, I can bring life into the world. I don't really like the fact that it has a chemical in it that can destroy the very essence of my womanhood. Cardiovascular issues aren't fun either. The neurotoxic effects aren't great. So, as far as like heptane, it has the same issues as the butyl acetate and the ethyl acetate, which is why I overlook it. So these are essentially the only two ingredients you really need to revive a nail polish. So with the heptane, I'll show you. There we go. At much, you get dizzy and nauseous. Maybe causes skin irritation. It pretty much has the same safety precautions and health hazard risk as the butyl acetate and the ethyl acetate, which is why I overlook it. So your holy grail of nail polish thinner will be one that only has those two ingredients. This is one of them. The Hollow Taco one is also one of them. And yeah, I'm not going to use something if I don't have to use it. Granted, I'm sure there are vintage nail polish formulas that are on the market that had that as an ingredient, and I can understand if you want to reset the polish to its original glory, by all means do so. But if you don't have to, that's not exactly a fun ingredient. You know what I mean? Like, why? What, especially if maybe you're pregnant or wanting to be pregnant. Like, no, thank you.